Wow, we just had a $50 order come into the Gear website store, and that means a lot to us. That's for 4 patches, so that's $50. Right around $50 was $40 something shipped, and that again, that means a lot to us. Hopefully, it's a good deal. Somebody got one of the PVC 762 by 39 or 762 by 54R spam cans. They got the glow in the dark stripper clips. We're down to just a few of those anymore. One of the woven 762 by 39 stripper clips, and then the new 762 by 39 Chinese stripper clip. So that's awesome. Now it's free patch Friday, so boom, they're going to get a patch for that. Now, whenever you spend $25 at the Gear website store, we kind of have an unwritten thing. We're going to send you a free patch for that. When you go to the $50 level, that's another free patch. So they got a bunch of spam cans. We're guessing they're into AKs. They're getting the Wolverine squared patch. Again, because they got the stripper clip, I'm thinking they might be dig the chairs against the wall. We're going to send that one out. Another patch, they got the Chinese spam can. We're going to throw in a Chinese flag. That's just a Chinese flag patch. Every order that goes out, especially recently, we're giving you the Gun Show loophole card to say thank you, because you're helping us to keep our projects online, which in part keeps us on the road. We've got a couple of the new Tulsa deck from the Gun Channel's playing cards, so I'd like to send a couple of those out in each thing. That just gets the trading cards out there. And then we've got the new playing cards. That's what we're sending out today. They just came in yesterday, so I opened up a deck and we're going to send out a couple of cards to everybody. And since you got a bunch of 762 by 54, I figure you might like the Dragunov one. Also a Horace Smith one there. So that's just a couple of the extras that we're sending out today. We try to do something special every day, and since I got these on the table, since we're sending out the cards, I'm going to throw in one of our revolvers as well. These are made by Flippy over in Texas. So awesome. Thanks again. $50 purchase really helps a lot. That pays bills. That allows us to keep doing what we're doing. We paid for these patches already, so it's given us return on previous investment. Can't thank you enough. Everything that goes out, just FYI, goes out first class, insured, and in a bubble mailer. We send them out in these cool black ones, so everything hopefully comes through pretty good. We've been sending a lot of stuff out over the years, and we find that's the best strategy. We ask you to post the stuff on gun channels, over on Gunstreamer, and I guess on Instagram if you use that platform. And again, thanks very much to the people that support our projects online and on the road with purchases over at the Gear website store. GearWebsites.com. A $50 order is incredible. Really, thank you very much.